You better turn up.
Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. This particular day was a really nice day as far as weather-wise. We had some sun, which has been very rare around here lately, and some nice temperatures. I think it was almost like 70 degrees. So kind of put a little pep in my step, I'd have to say. So I was able to get a lot of stuff done today. I did hit Walmart, Sam's Club. I even did run to Home Depot because Mia started her seeds. So we're trying to get into this spring feeling. It's getting there slowly. The weather has not been really cooperating with us lately, so we're still kind of chilly and rainy. Even today we have a little sun, but we're going to get rain again later, and it's just been kind of crazy how much rain we've been getting. But anyway, this day gave me a little extra get up and go, so I will take my wins when I can.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring a bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby.
So we got a little wash going so far. Now I'm going to move into the kitchen, and while that's filling up, I'm going to put away all of the dishes from the night before. That way I'm not competing with the water pressure. It just takes way longer to do the dishes and get them done if the washer's filling up at the same time. I do want to ask you guys in the comments down below. I showed you, I think, 2 videos ago where we got a new sectional. And I've slowly been going through and changing up some stuff, rearranging furniture. And I don't know if I should do like a big reveal kind of thing. I'm not one of those like big reveal kind of people or keeping things secret, but it's taking me a little longer than I want it to as far as getting it all done. Would you guys like to see the process of that? Because as of right now, I have the sectional and I switched out our end tables and I moved where our TV was. But that's it so far. I'm still trying to figure out a paint color. I'm still waiting to see if my lamps that I really like go on sale. So it's not something where like I just buy all the furniture, rearrange it, and get it all done in like a weekend. It's just kind of not how I roll. I like to take my time with stuff, and especially, if you're making big purchases, you kind of want to space that out a little bit, monetarily anyway. So let me know, would you guys like to see like little updates here and there, or would you guys want to see like the big reveal of it all?
Turn it up, turn it up. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining get so fly? You got me like, my. You got me like, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like, my. Like, oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my. You got me like, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like, my. Like, oh my God,
Let me tell you guys about a happy accident. The dryer that I'm working in now, when I originally went looking for a dryer, I was kind of tunnel visioned. I only need something that swings open and closed left or right. I don't need anything fancy, no steam or anything like that. I got this dryer home and it has this little feature where it does like a half hamper door. This thing is fantastic. Like, I always use that hamper door. I never swing the door open or closed anymore. And I didn't realize it was something I needed until I got it. And I was so against, like, nope, I just need a swing door. I don't need any steam. I don't need this. I don't need that. I just need something to dry my clothes.
no, you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can.
Okay, so here is my Walmart haul. I got some cabbage, potatoes. I also grabbed some fruit. I got some kiwis. We all do like the kiwis. They're a little not ripe yet, but that's okay. Some strawberries, some grapes, some rye bread to go with the ham and cabbage, and my decaf coffee. Then I grabbed some sweetener for my mom, pastaroni because I needed some. If you find these garlic nuts, they are so good. Definitely grab them up. I need to replace my black beans, and me and wanted pears, but the ones we had were in heavy syrup, so I grabbed more. Needed chili powder, needed paprika. This is by far the best dressing that we have ever used. I did grab these for Nick. He loves them. Some chicken broth, marshmallows, some donuts for Nick too, although he already got to one, as you can see. I grabbed some breakfast sandwiches and orange juice. I grabbed these Red Robin onion rings, which are really good. Some yogurt. We needed some sugar too. Don't like this canister now that I've used it. Not the greatest, but that's okay.
Just wanna look into your eyes.
Now to Sam's Club. I did grab a pork tenderloin. We're going to make one and then freeze one. Some ribs. I needed to grab some chips for Greg to take to work. Ran out of my Lysol sanitizer. Love my Clorox cleanup. Also some crackers for Greg. Dots pretzels. So good. And these canister pretzels really good as well. Nick wanted some Doritos. Got some butter because I'm going to be making all the oh my gosh, the Easter stuff. Some plates. I got my sauce for some meatballs. And then these plates because Mia's party is going to be coming up soon in June for her graduating nursing school. So that'll be exciting. So I know I wanted to get some nice plates for that. But that's my Sam's Club haul. Now I'm going to get everything put away. It wasn't about cleaning out. I just want to get all of the cold stuff away because I'm getting tired. So I am going to start a spring cleaning. One, the fridge. I need to get everything pulled out. I'm going to do that on a day where, one, trash day so I can get rid of everything. And then two, when I don't have so much stuff in here that I'm pulling everything out and moving everything around, because I try and do it when it's as empty as possible. And I just need to go through and see what if there's anything expired. I've been pretty good with trying to keep up on that, but I definitely want to get my spring cleaning started. It's just, I want to be able to open up all the windows and get spring cleaning started, and that's not yet. Maybe next week, hopefully.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I said I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave?
Honestly, the cold stuff's put away, so this stuff, it can kind of wait until tomorrow. It's like 8:45. I've been out since I think 8 a.m. this morning. I'm just done. I'm tired. All the stuff that's cold has been put away. This is all stuff I can put away tomorrow. I also ran to Home Depot, and then we had Chick-fil-A for dinner, so luckily not too many dishes, just some dishes from lunch today. But yeah, I'm putting comfy pants on and hanging out on the sofa if you want to find me anywhere. Joke's on me, no comfy pants yet. Tired nighttime me really wants to kick the butt of ambitious morning me. I needed to just get the clothes folded so that I could get the towels in the dryer. I didn't want to leave the towels in the washer overnight because towels overnight can get really funky really fast. So this way, just get this done so I don't have to rewash my towels tomorrow morning. Oh, and make sure you don't leave yet. I do have a one-pot meal that's coming up. It's just a ham and cabbage with potatoes. I'm going to say now that the meal does not look pretty, but it is so, so good. And one pot, so you literally just throw everything in one pot, stick a lid on it, let it boil. I'll have everything put together in just a few minutes, but it kind of reminds me a lot of my split pea and ham soup. I've done a video on that too, where it doesn't look pretty, but oh my God, so delicious. And we just had that last night with the leftover ham that I had, so make sure you stay to see the one pot meal.
Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you...
So here we go, the one pot meal. This is literally all that you need except butter. And I personally put lots of pepper, but all of this just goes into one big pot. You kind of just wash everything up, cut everything up. I will start with the cabbage. I'll peel off the outer layers of the cabbage and then I will chop off the very bottom piece. You kind of want to keep it intact though, because it will just kind of float all over the place. If you don't mind that, that's fine. You can do that. I like to try and keep the little nub, I don't know what you call it, I call it the nub, on the end so that the cabbage will kind of stay together. And then just some red potatoes or white potatoes. I just happen to have red potatoes this day. I've done it with white potatoes. It looks a little more colorful when you do the red potatoes, so that's why I did red potatoes this time. And you're really just going to wash them and cut them in half. I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. My family doesn't care for this meal. I love it. It's something I grew up with. And I guess that's it for me. Like, it's more of a nostalgia kind of thing. My grandmother used to make this all the time. I make it probably once, maybe twice a year. And let's just say I get a lot of ripping for it. But no pun intended, because I have cabbage. But oh, sorry. That's like schoolyard humor, but sorry, I just totally cracked myself up there. But you got to give it to the old school meals. Cheap, easy, and feeds a family not only dinner but leftovers, plus I made a split pea and ham soup with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully with some living room updates. And don't judge me by the picture that you see at the end. I put lots of pepper and lots of butter and it was really good. Bye guys.